Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear viewers, how are you? First of all, if you are watching this video on YouTube, so please subscribe my YouTube channel Quadrilingual Poet Muhammad Saleem Tanweri. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, so please like and follow my Facebook page Quadrilingual Poet Muhammad Saleem Tanweri. You can see there, this is my period in nursery class. So now I am going to write homework for students of nursery class. First of all, I draw here lines. So you can see I have drawn here lines. Now I am going to write on the first line trace. I am writing trace. Trace and trace and color. Trace and color it. You can see now I have written here trace and color it. So dear viewers, now I am going to making a map. I am going to draw a map of A, and you can see this is a map of A. I'm writing here a map of A. You can see here, dear viewers, this is a map of A. Students will color it inshallah ta'ala, and you will see in the last both. This is a map of apple. I'm drawing a map of apple. You can see I started from open and now I am drawing here. This is apple, and now I'm drawing a leaf of apple. You can see this is leaf of apple. Dear viewers, how is this video? Please tell me in comment, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and like and follow Facebook page. I am writing here apple. This is apple. So now I will write here only A inshallah ta'ala. You can see after this the colorful picture. This is colorful picture of apple and map of